Christmas came early, guys. Yes. Wow, that is a two-person job. One person is just not enough. I had a feeling that the bike was going to drop, as it should, when I took the shocks out. I tried to prevent it, however, it's heavier than you think, man. So you definitely need two people just to lift it up, just to get those bottom bolts in the shocks. I had a hell of a time trying to do it by myself. It's doable, but it's a struggle. I was out of breath. It sucked. But yeah, so two people for this project, in my opinion, make a hell of a lot easier. Overall, they look amazing. At first, I wasn't quite sure how the yellow would play with the red tank, but it actually looks pretty decent. In the future, I may powder coat the springs red or black. See how that goes. But these are the stock Thruxton R shocks. Got a heck of a deal on eBay, brand new in the box. So that's really awesome. So everything I've read so far is to loosen up the preload to its minimum setting, and that'll actually sag enough because they're slightly taller than the Speed Twin shocks. So that should even that out a little bit. So I did that. Compression, they tell you in the stock manual for a single rider to go clockwise all the way to the hard setting, then back it off 16 clicks or negative 16 clicks counterclockwise. So I did that. Rebound is actually opposite, which is silly. You crank it all the way loose counterclockwise and then 24 clicks forward or clockwise in the positive position. And those are the stock settings. So all I have left to do is take it for a spin, see how I like it. So let's get going. Well guys, right off the bat, I can tell these are a little stiffer than the stock Speed Twin shocks. All right. Smooth. Ah. Well guys, I thought I'd give you my final thoughts on the Ohlins upgrade for the rear shocks. They are stiffer. I felt that right away. It was definitely noticeable. Just in stock form, they handle the bumps a lot better. Not that the Speed Twin was bad stock, but you can tell this is a lot better, and I'll be able to dial it in. So in the near future, I'll probably do a follow-up video adjusting this to my perfect settings. I don't know what they are yet, but I'll set it up for canyon riding probably. Not so much city driving, but we'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Hit that bell notification if you so desire, and until next time, I will see you guys later.
And you certainly can't do a project in the garage without your garage slippers.